So as you all know, I was just on a mini vacation for my kids, bringing in the summer at a Tantera resort. Now I am back home. We came home today and I realized my grass needs to be cut. So with that being said, that shit is long, very long. So I gotta cut it. So while I've done all the playing and shit like that, it's time to get the grass cut. But the reason I'm making this video and posting it isn't because I want to share the labor with Steam, which I share a vacation. I, in retrospect, should share labor too, but whatever. It's this lawnmower. I got a high-tech ass lawnmower. Hell yeah, shit gets done or whatever. It's just as strong, just as powerful as a gas lawnmower. It's just electric. You know, new age type shit, I guess. I barely even hear it. Lightweight. I can actually talk and hear it. Cuts very easily. Yeah, so with that being said, we'll show off the tech lawnmower. The cool thing about this thing is I only got to charge it. It takes maybe 4 hours max to charge the entire battery. And it's good for several cuts, actually. I know you're probably thinking, what the hell is this guy showing us? I'm cutting the grass. This is the future. Technology, batteries. Not really a fan of gas-powered stuff anyway. All about the environment and shit, so. You can say that, but yet I got 4 damn cars, so I don't know. Maybe I'm a bit of a hypocrite then. Needless to say, I will show you the end result and you'll be amazed. So, it's currently 7:10 p.m. Central Time.